Hi, I'm Dominique Richardson.
Hi, I'm Neal.
We are known as the Lindas at Nor-Lan.
Today we're sitting in a 2019 Jeep Cherokee North with a beautiful little SUV with a lot of features, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive.
Does this have Apple Carplay?
It does come with an Apple, yes.
No, Linda, that's not what I meant.
Well,
Apple Carplay.
At my age, that's the only Apple I know. What's Apple Carplay?
Okay, so Apple CarPlay, you can basically plug your phone into that and it goes directly on the screen here. As you can see, it appears there. So you've got your phone, messages and maps as well, and you can listen to your music straight from the system here.
Well, that's a pretty cool system.
Yeah.
That easy to use.
Exactly.
Wow.
So, shall we start off with some text messages just to show how it works?
Oh, okay.
Okay, Linda, do you want to press it?
What do I do?
Okay, so press that button there.
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
Read message.
Dominique Richardson sent you a new message. Linda, did you remember to take your tablets this morning faced with tears
Darn,
of joy?
I forgot.
Faced with tears of joy.
Bloody hell.
Faced with tears of joy. Would you like to reply?
No thanks.
Okay, no other messages.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah,
so I
isn't
can
it?
get my messages and I don't even have to take my hands off the wheel.
Exactly.
Wow.
So, Linda, what sort of music have we got here?
I don't know. It's been
Let's
a
have a
while.
look.
It's been a while since I've listened to it.
Okay.
So what do I hit?
Now play.
Make my way
Play it. Oh my God, what is
Oh,
this?
this is good.
Hey,
Oh my God, I'm sorry. The old man?
beautiful girl in
This
the
is a
world.
good song. I
That's
think
for me. Is it for me?
that was for my first
And
wife.
if you did, was she cried?
Okay, we'll stop that.
Okay.
Wow.
So we'll just show quickly the navigation as well. So we go to Google Maps. There you go.
Oh, cool.
And then you can see that Nor-Lan is just here.
Oh, we're close to
Look
work.
at that. Yeah.
Well, that's great.
Isn't that great?
So can I tell it to go anywhere?
Yeah, of course you can.
How do I do that?
Do
Push
it.
the button?
Yeah.
Take us to Tim Hortons.
One option I found is Tim Hortons. Let me know if you want more information.
Let's push this
The
one.
first one. And then press
Oh,
go.
it's-
Press
Go.
go.
Starting route to Tim Hortons.
Should we go?
Head
Okay,
south
let's
on
go.
100th Street.
We're going
Then
to
turn
Tim
left
Hortons.
onto 124 Avenue.
Well, that's a different Tim. That's different. 1 minute. There you go.
1 minute.
1 minute, Linda.
Tim's good. We
Let's
need some
go.
coffee.
Yeah.
How much does this car cost?
Oh, oh, this one? So it's less than 15 bucks a day.
Wow.
I know. That's 3 bags of apples, Linda.
Well, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
I know.
Look
So,
at me. I've
if
been
you-
alive for a lot of years.
So if you're interested in this vehicle, come and see the Lindas at Nor-Lan Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep and Ram, home of the good guys and ladies.